Hi friends, today we are looking at the beginning of chapter 6, which is understanding percents. So to start off, we're going to just try to understand what the word percent means. Per, we already saw that in our rates unit. That means for every or out of. And cent, that root word, like we see it in century or cents and money, means 100. So when you see percent, we're talking about a special rate where it is out of 100. And we have a symbol to mean percent is a slash, which we also saw as meaning per, and then with two little zeros. So that means for every 100. Okay, when we are starting to look at how to write percents, we're going to look at some easy ways to make 100. So these are some multiplication problems you might want to write down. 2 times 50 is 100. 4 times 25 is 100. 5 times 20 is 100. And 10 times 10 is 100. I'm also going to add in 8 times 12.5 or 12 and a half. That's also 100. Okay, these are all kind of nice friendly numbers that if you're working with a denominator of 2, 50, 4, 25, 5, 20, 10, or 10, it's easy to make 100. So let us take a look. Okay, we're going to start with the fraction 21 out of 50, and we want to write it as a percent. Okay, right now this is out of 50. We want to make it out of 100 because percent means out of 100. So we're going to multiply by 2 over 2. 21 times 2 is 42. 50 times 2 is 100. And instead of saying 42 out of 100, we can write this as 42%. So if on a quiz I get 21 out of 50, and I want to know what my percent is, that's a 42%. Not too good. Let's try one more example. 17 out of 20. I want to write that as a percent. So we look at our denominator, 20. What do I need to multiply that by to make 100? I'm going to multiply that by 5. And if I multiply my denominator by 5, I multiply my numerator by 5. So 17 times 5, I can do that off to the side. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 3 is 8. So I get 85 over 20 times 5 is 100. Or I can write this as 85% because percent means out of 100. Okay, sometimes we have to work our way down to 100. We start with the fraction 412 out of 600, and I want to make that a percent. So this time we're going to have to divide. To turn 600 into 100, we need to divide that by 6. 600 divided by 6 is 100. 412 divided by 6. We can do that off to the side. 6 goes into 4. Well, we can't do that. 6 into 41. That's 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. 41 minus 6 is 5. Bring down the 2. 6 goes into 52. That'll be 8 times. 48. Subtract. We get 4. So we can write this as 68 and 4 over 6 out of 100. Or we can say 68 and 4/6%. And we can simplify that 4/6. We can say 68 and 2/3%. And that is going to be the end of this video.